I can recall the sound of the wind as it blew through the trees, and the trees would bend. I can recall the smell of the rain on a hot summer night coming through the screen. I'd crawl in your bed when the lightning flashed, and I'd still be there when the storm had passed. Dead to the world, to the morning cast its light all around your room. We lived on a street where the tall elm shade was green as the grass, yet as cool as the blade that you held in your teeth as we lay on our backs, staring up at the blue, and the blue staring back. I used to believe we were just like those trees. We'd grow just as tall and be proud as we pleased, with our feet on the ground and our arms in the breeze, under a sheltering sky. Twirl me about, oh, twirl me around. Let me grow dizzy and fall to the ground. And when you're looking up and I'm looking down, we can say it was only a dream. A big truck parked in the driveway one day. They wrapped us in paper and moved us away. Your room was no longer next door to mine, and this kid sister thing was old by that time. But oh, how our dreams went bump in the night, and the voices downstairs getting into a fight. And the next day, silence you could cut with a knife, and you felt the blade at your throat. Twirl me about, oh, twirl me round. Let me grow dizzy and fall to the ground. And when I'm looking up at you, looking down, say it was only a dream. The day you left home, you got an early start. I watched your car as it backed out in the dark. I opened the door to the room down the hall. I turned on the light, and all that I saw was a bed and a desk and a couple of tracks. No sign of someone one would expect to be back. It must have been one hell of a suitcase you packed. Twirl me about, oh, twirl me around, and let me grow dizzy and fall to the ground. When I look up at you, looking down, say it was only a dream.